Hey guys, and welcome to our channel. 30 divided by 1 over 30 times 30. Please subscribe if you like this video. Now let's start to solve this expression. We can simplify this section. 3 divided by 3 gives us 1, and 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. 1 times 1 gives us 1. Now 30 divided by 1 equals 30. But this answer is not correct because according to the order operations, we know that multiplication and division have equal priority. So we have to solve from left to right. Now, 3 divided by 1 over 3, 30 divided by 1 over 30, according to the KCF, that is, keep first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction. Keep first fraction, 30 over 1, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction. 1 over 30, 30 over 1. Now, this expression equals 900. Now we have times 30. So the final answer is 900 times 3. That this expression equals to 3 times 9 gives us 27. And we have 3 zeros. So the final answer is 27,000. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.